my name is Ain. In this video, I'm going to show on how to search cloud library by using image. So, for example, I want to put a vanity table to my bedroom. I can just simply use the keyword search, which I can enter the vanity table, and I can use any of from the selection here. And also can search by image. Let's say I already have the preference picture, just upload the picture that I already saved, click on open, and AI will auto detect and suggest a similar model. Okay, you can crop it from here, you can crop the picture, and you can use any of the model that have the similar looks for the one that you already upload, and you can just drag and drop, and we can reposition and resize using the C function. And now I want to search for the bed lamp. Just simply upload the bed lamp picture for the reference, and AI will suggest the model that have the similar one with the one that we already upload, and can just drag and drop. Okay, just simple as that. So happy trying. Bye bye.